Yes, there is still a lot of disturbance. Thank you. Whoever has not, may please mute themselves now. Thank you. Good evening and welcome to a very special edition of Midweek Magic Club. On behalf of Rapid Mile, this is Dr. Anila Damodar, welcoming you, each one of you, to this program. Now, yes, today is a collective meditation. But before we get there, I would like to introduce Rapid Mile as a company. Rapid Mile has been in the business of touching lives now for the last 18 years through their law of attraction trainings and their Silva Ultramind trainings. It is only over the last 1 year, when we were given this opportunity to take all of this online, that it assumed a whole new life. We've been able to reach out to wonderful people like yourselves all across the country and across the globe. Rapid Mile is headed by Mr. Shaz Kamer. He is our managing director. He's a law of attraction trainer and trainers trainer. We also have a very senior trainer with us, Mr. Balram Talreja, with 30 years of experience as a yogacharya, as a law of attraction trainer, as a trainer of EFT and Ho'oponopono. Thank you, Balramji. I also introduce Ms. Niharika Chaturvedi, who brings her immense talent and liveliness uh, along with the success principles to the table. I myself am Dr. Anila Damodar. I am a medical doctor and a law of attraction trainer. A very dear member of our team is also Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, our very own resident money magnet. Unfortunately, he'll be a little bit late, so we'll wait for him and as I take the program forward. Now, before moving forward, I would like to make an announcement and also give a small introduction. It is with a very heavy heart that I announce that one of our dearest friends, one of our dearest students, and a person who was always present at all of our trainings and workshops passed away yesterday. His name is Mr. Ashok Srivastav, a very dear friend, a wonderful father, a fantastic husband, left us all yesterday. He was not well. The thing we remember the most here in Rapid Mile about Mr. Ashok was this, that as he attended each of our gatherings, he was full of questions. Sometimes he would repeat the same question again and again in all of our sessions with all the trainers, and we'd say, he has not understood it yet. Why he's not understanding? Sometimes we used to get irritated also. But you know something? That was the humility of Mr. Ashok. He was seeking answers. He just wanted his answers, and he got them. And through those answers and through those questions, especially, he touched the lives of so many of us. Through him, many more people also joined our programs and benefited immensely. He's a deep friend for all of us. Before moving forward with the program, I would like us all, as a mark of respect, to observe 2 minutes of silence in his memory and send your love and best wishes to his family. Let's go into a time of silence now. Our dear Ashok sir, you will be missed deeply. But we know that whenever there will be a gathering here at Rapid Mile, you'll be with us in spirit because through your just being here in your presence, you have touched the lives of so many. We are truly blessed. Thank you. Thank you all for your respect. Today's evening has been planned very specially as a collective meditation. I want to say a few words before I hand it over to Mr. Balram Talreja. You know, sometimes we look out at the world, we look at things, we want things to be beautiful and harmonious and full of love and peace, and yet we see things going in a different direction. And we think to ourselves, what difference will I make? How can I make a difference? There are 7 billion people in this world. Who am I? Just a drop in this ocean of humanity. We look at our own country, 1.3 billion people, and we say, forget the world. 1.3 billion is also too many. I'm a nothing. I can do nothing. But I want to let you know today how precious you are and how important each one of us is. I'm going to tell this to you through a small story. It's actually a true story. It's a research that was done in the 1950s off the coast of Japan. Listen up, it's very interesting. So there was a research study going on on the islands off the coast of Japan. These islands were very small, uninhabited by human beings, but there were lots of monkeys over there. And the research scientists one day thought we should throw some food for these monkeys. So they threw some sweet potatoes on one of the islands over there. The monkeys would pick them up, eat them. They used to be full of sand because they used to land on the beaches. And after a few days, they noticed that one particular monkey would take her sweet potato. Now I'm saying her, or could have been a him also. Took her sweet potato to a stream, washed the sand off, and then ate it. They observed for a few more days, and they noticed that this number grew to about 12 or 15. Time went on, and after a few months, they noticed many, many more monkeys doing the same thing. Now, they came back after a few months. By then, I'd say about 99 monkeys had already started washing their sweet potato before eating it. And then they noticed something a few months later, that every monkey on that particular island was washing his or her sweet potato before eating it. Not only that, they noticed that islands that were a few miles away, there was no way those monkeys could have traveled across the ocean. All those monkeys were also washing their sweet potato before eating it. This is an example of collective awareness or collective consciousness. It is said that when a critical mass, a particular number, enough people or enough monkeys do the same thing, that everybody starts doing the same thing. This is the power of one. And that is why we are here today. Because each one of us, has the potential to be that 100th monkey, that when we do something, we can affect the larger population. Today, I urge all of us to come together and raise our vibration. It starts here, and slowly we raise the vibration of the entire earth. With these words, I hand over to Balram sir to lead us in this beautiful session. Balram sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Anila. Nice example you quoted. How the work you have done for me. What work we have meant here. Thank you very much. Very good evening to all of you. It's really truly enlightening to see all of you over here for some very good cause, with a very great purpose for which we are living the life on this earth. 30 years back, my life was absolutely miserable. I was not able to take up my challenges that time in my life. I was praying God, what's wrong with me? I come from a good family. My parents are very good, nice people. Why the things are going wrongly with me? Then it's rightly said, universe always listens to you. I was listened very carefully. I get attached to yoga on the physical part, the mental part, and the spiritual part. In all these 30 years, my journey has been truly blissful. I can say in one word, I have become from zero to hero. I was not able to even take up my life's problems. Now God has made me an instrument to solve others' problems. Today's topic is collective meditation. See, meditation means to heal. It's made from the word medari. Meditation is done individually and collectively. As we have shown you over here, shown here collectively. We all be doing meditation collectively in a shortest possible time now. Before we go to that, in the practical meditation side, if you people have not burned diya or candlelight, please put that on, because that candle, what you'll be putting on, will symbolize that the light within you is now going to the world across to enlighten others also. Because you'll be connected in this meeting, in this collective meditation to the real self. You'll be taking the powers from the universal, and then we'll be vibrating into the world around us. Before you go ahead, I'll tell you, I have been using this meditation to solve different problems. I always charge water, food, medicines. Of course, not for me. I never take the medicines because I do very regularly my twice meditation plus all asanas and pranayams I teach and I do every day. Disease, whenever my home people take the disease, yesterday evening, my son, 35 years old, got some fever. When I was told he has got fever, so my missus, his mom told immediately, give it to Papa first. He'll charge this and then give it to you. I took the medicine in one hand and the water in another hand. I charged that with my vibration and gave it to him. In an hour's time, less than an hour's time, his fever was absolutely gone. My missus got corona about 3 weeks back. I also did not go to the factory because she was home quarantine. We had to take care of even the servants coming in and all other people, 3 people staying here, my son, my daughter-in-law and myself. So all the time, right from the day 1, 5:30, I came to know that she has got the fever and she was suspected of the corona. I started doing meditation most of the time, giving every single thing to her by putting the vibration in it. Maybe the water or milk, tea, coffee, juice, dry fruit, whatever the food I was giving him. And I tell you, when she was out of Corona's quarantine period, today is almost a week's time, you'll be surprised to know that she has got no side effects, no weakness at all. She moves in a house and working so normally as if nothing had happened to her. This is the power of
एक्सक्यूज
meditation.
मी सर सर प्लीज ये
Yes.
थोड़ा हिंदी में समझाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा और
हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है
लगेगा
ठीक है ठीक है. तो मेरी मिसेस ने जो पूरा रिकवरी किया है, थर्ड डे ऑफ कोरोना शी वाज वेरी इन अ वेरी बैड शेप. इतनी उसकी हालत खराब थी कि मैं सुबह को उनको पानी देने के लिए पूछता हूँ, क्या आप उठे तो मैं पानी दे दूं आपको, चार्ज करके देता था मैं. तो वहाँ व्हाट हैपेन, उसने कहा कि बलराम आज मुझे प्लीज मत डिस्टर्ब करो. मुझे पता नहीं क्या हो गया, आज मैं कुछ नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ कि मुझे आखिर क्या हो गया है. 11 o'clock, even then she said I don't want anything. पानी मेरे पास रखा हुआ अंदर, मैं वहां ले लूंगी. Then I started meditating. 11 o'clock I started. I was there till 2 o'clock. and she was so much comfortable on that day itself, and from the next day she started recovering very fastly, dramatically she recovered. This meditation can be used even for our body, for any illness in our body. We can directly take the rays and put it on the any affected part we are seeing. Even the heart holes in the children have closed because of this meditation, the rays of power. Any relationship you can heal with this. You got any financial problems or any problem with any related area of the life. Any issues I've seen resolving so beautifully. And once I'll tell you, we were going in the rally. We are going in the rally. It was too hot in the daytime. Then we collectively told the universe and told the clouds to move with us, be as our protection, so that our moving in the daytime under the sunlight can be more comfortable. And to the surprise, all those 2 years, 2 hours of rally, all of us were under the protection of clouds that they could make us more comfortable to move. उसके अलावा जो है हम मार्कस अभी अटेंड करते हैं चौथा, जो किसी की भी शरीर छूट जाता है, व्हाट वी डिड टुडे फॉर द श्रीवास्तव जी, द सेम थिंग इफ यू डू सेम टाइम, लिसन मी केयरफुली, ध्यान से सुनिए सभी, एक ही जगह एक ही संकल्प, अगर आप अकेले भी बैठते हैं तो आपका हर संकल्प सिद्ध होता है. दिस वे my greatest achievement, rather I can say, has liberated my father from sufferings. He went into semi-coma, and recently my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, they both were in a very, very critical condition, and they both were liberated with the help of this meditation and the Sakash, what we call as the light and might to the affected soul. Today, we'll be giving the power, collective power of our meditation to the entire planet, globe, world across. Because of this pandemic, entire world has become on its knees. They're not able to control it. And this particular pandemic is not killing. ये सिर्फ आपके शरीर को ही नहीं, लेकिन आपके मन को, people are going to depression, forced isolation, not able to move and meet outside. Our entire routine of the life has been very much restricted beyond our imagination. हमारी कल्पना के बाहर बंदिशें हमारे आगे लग गई हैं, और जो लोग अपने आप को इस वक्त भी व्यस्त नहीं रख पाते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें अपने घर में कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारा आनंद ले सकते हैं, लेकिन कुछ लोग जो इसको नहीं कर पाते हैं, दे आर फीलिंग कि आज भी सुबह से आई गॉट 2 calls दैट सर आई एम गोइंग इनटू डिप्रेशन, मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, पता नहीं, ऐसा लगता है सर जैसे सब कुछ खो गया है. These things are bound to happen very much in the recent future to come. इन सभी चीजों के लिए हम अब देखेंगे मेडिटेशन क्या होती है, एंड वी कैन, जो आप सभी अगर इफ यू ऑल विल सिट टिल द एंड, you will come to know, you will experience it, because meditation is a practical science, not a theoretical science. So Shal bhai, can we please start the meditation with very first song of Diya?
एक दिया आओ दुआ का हम जलाएं, रोशनी से दिल का अंधियारा मिटाएं. एक दिया और दुआ का हम जलाएं, रोशनी से दिल का अंधियारा मिटाएं। हर दिशा हर द्वार पर हो वो दिवाली, हर दिशा हर द्वार पर हो वो दिवाली। प्यार का हम ऐसा सिलसिला चलाएं,
प्यार का सिलसिला हम चलाएं।
एक दिया और दुआ का हम जलाएं, रोशनी से दिल का अंधियारा मिटाएं। दिया वो माटी का जो आंधियों से लड़ता है, तू दाता का दिया क्यों मुश्किलों से डरता है। दिया वो माटी का जो आंधियों से लड़ता है, तू दाता का दिया क्यों मुश्किलों से डरता है। ऐसे ख्यालों से जहां को जगमगाए,
ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति ओम शांति।
ऐसे ख्यालों से जहां को जगमगाए। प्यार का हम ऐसा सिलसिला चलाएं,
प्यार का सिलसिला हम चलाएं।
एक दिया और दुआ का हम जलाएं, रोशनी से दिल का अंधियारा मिटाएं।
Balram bhai, you are on mute.
Sorry. Slides, please. Please, I want to show the slide for a minute's time. See, this is the practice. This is the picture shows, the image shows collective meditation of 1 lakh people in the Red Fort. किले में 1 लाख लोगों ने मिलकर, जो 21 जून होता है, पूरी दुनिया योग को कुछ क्रियाओं के नाम से जानती है, like asanas and pranayamas. But yoga is ultimately to connect to the real self and to the supreme self. अपने स्व से जोड़कर उस परम शक्ति से जुड़ने का नाम ही योग। योग का अर्थ ही होता है जोड़, कनेक्शन, लिंक, यूनियन, कम्युनियन। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। दिस ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि आप इसका प्रयोग, यू कैन एक्सपेरिमेंट ऑन द वाटर, द फूड यू मेक इट होम। अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम यू कैन, आप इसको प्रयोग कर सकते हैं ऑन एनी डिजीज। वी हैव सीन फॉर इवन फॉर द इनक्यूरेबल डिजीज लाइक मल्टीपल सेलरोसिस, टाइप डायबिटीज, अल्सरेटिव कोलाइटिस, विच इज नो क्यूर, जिसका कोई इलाज नहीं है। लेकिन मेडिटेशन के प्रयोगों ने ये सब सही कर दिया है, जिसे कहा जाता है कि दिस डिजीज इज इनक्यूरेबल, बट इट इज इन मतलब इनसाइड, क्यूरेबल। व्हेन यू गो इन, whatever things are impossible for the world outside are possible for the world inside. बहुत सही किसी ने कहा है, rightly somebody said, जब मैंने आईने में खुद को, जब मैंने आईना देखा तो मैंने खुद को देखा, जब मैंने अंदर देखा तो मैंने खुदा को देखा। When you look in the mirror, we find ourselves, we can see ourselves, but when we go within, we find our inner consciousness, and through that we can reach to the supreme consciousness. Yes, now here it is shown that even for a diseased person you can do, we'll do it practically now. Next slide please. Yes, here as I told you already, okay, wherever you want you can do the, on the hills you can do collective meditation, you can go on the terrace, you can go to the big hall for any organization, spiritual organization, you can do in a room, and now as we are doing collectively over here on this Google Meet. So this type of collective meditation, more than one person will sit together with the same purpose of Sankalpa Shakti, ya Sankalpa Siddhi. See, we observe every third Sunday from 6:30 to 7:30. All the worldly people do the meditation with the same thought, same time. And that collective meditation जो सामूहिक योग है, वो सही मानों में miracles करता है, miracles. It does the miracles in the life. 21 days मतलब you started from the day one. Any damn problem, आपकी जिंदगी में कोई भी समस्या है जिसका निदान आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, any issue which you are not able to resolve, for that if you do meditation individually also and collectively also for very big problems, then you will find that from the day when you start, you go up to 21 days. If there is any break, suppose you have the break on 10th day, 7th day, 6th day, or 19th day, again you have to count one. If you complete this 21 days, same time, same thought, same place, then आपकी हर संकल्प, every thought will get manifested. This is my practical example what I've seen in my life so many times. Yes. Next slide, please. Yes, here we have seen, I've shown here, okay, we can see now entire world is suffering from this pandemic. People are very much scared, very much fearful, very much worried, very much anxious. If we start giving vibration to all the 5 elements what we're doing now, practically, you can take any building which is micro contaminated zone. There also you can give the power to that building also. There are so many cases of corona there. See, now one thing, before I go ahead practically, I'll tell you, I have been going with our team to the entire corner of India, and even to all the borders of India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Burma, China, Pakistan, Nepal, Myanmar. Wherever we go, first we send our vibrations to that place for the success of our services. हमारी सेवाओं की सफलता के लिए हम हमेशा ही वाइब्रेशन भेजते हैं. कोई भी काम करने के पहले अगर आप वहां आपकी लाइट एंड माइट को, जो हम अभी प्रैक्टिकली बताएंगे आपको, अगर आप करके देखोगे तो हर चीज में जो भी विघ्न है ना, विघ्न, व्हाट द ऑब्स्टेकल्स आर देयर you are facing, they will all be cleared out. So Shavin, we can start the screen. Just put it here. When I tell you, then only you can play. Yes. Now everybody, be straight. Keep your body straight, relaxing and steady. शरीर को बिल्कुल सीधा, स्थिर और शिथिल रखें. सभी अपनी आंखें बंद कर लें. क्लोज योर आईज. पे अटेंशन टू योर ब्रीदिंग. अपनी सांसों पर, दोनों ही नासिकाओं पर ध्यान को ले आएं और सांसों को देखें. वॉच योर ब्रेथ. रिलैक्स फोरहेड, बॉडी स्ट्रेट. जितना शरीर को स्थिर रखोगे उतना ही मन स्थिर होगा. कीप योर बॉडी एब्सोल्युटली स्टेबल. गेट क्लोजर टू योर ब्रीदिंग. As you are all conscious, aware about your breathing, सभी अपने सांसों पर ध्यान टिकाए हुए हैं इस वक्त. सांसें मंद होती है. ब्रेथ आर बिकमिंग शॉर्टर, स्मॉलर, थिनर, एंड consequently your consciousness, आपकी चेतना आगे बढ़ती हुई तन से मन और मन से बुद्धि की तरफ, दोनों ही आंखों के बीच में अपने ध्यान को ले आएं. पे द अटेंशन एट द सेंटर ऑफ आईब्रोज, भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में अपने ध्यान को ले आए सभी। स्टार्ट वाचिंग योरसेल्फ, consciousness descending further to the true self. Visualize as if you are not the body but a conscient being of light. एक छोटा सा बिंदु, चमकता हुआ सितारा देखें अपने आप को सभी भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में, दोनों ही आंखों के बीच में। Be focused there. You are connected to the true self here. Yes, Shaz bhai, you can start this video.
स्वमान। मैं मास्टर ज्ञान सूर्य हूँ। चिंतन। मैं आत्मा इस संसार के लिए आधार मूर्त हूँ। मुझे इस दुनिया से अज्ञान का अंधकार मिटाना है। 5 विकार रूपी कीटाणुओं को समाप्त करना है। मुझे बाबा को इस धरा पर प्रत्यक्ष करना है। अभ्यास। मैं विश्व कल्याणकारी आत्मा इस भौतिक देह से न्यारी होकर फरिश्ता स्वरूप बन आसमान की ओर उड़ रहा हूँ। मैं उड़कर विश्व ग्लोब को साक्षी होकर देख रहा हूँ। बाबा के मीठे बोल मेरे कानों में गूंज रहे हैं। बच्चे, इस विश्व की करोड़ों दुखी आत्माओं के दुख दूर करने लिए आप ही निमित्त हो। बाबा मुझे शांति की किरणों से भरपूर कर रहे हैं और मेरे द्वारा ये प्रकंपन सारे ग्लोब पर बिखेर रहे हैं। शांति की प्यासी आत्माएं इन प्रकंपनों से भरपूर होकर सच्ची शांति का अनुभव कर रही है। प्रयोग। संगठित योग एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग के लिए यह अभ्यास बहुत ही उपयोगी है। एक संकल्प में स्थित होकर संगठित रूप में किए गए इस अभ्यास से वातावरण में सहज ही परिवर्तन आ जाता है। शांति की किरणों से भरपूर कर रहे हैं और मेरे द्वारा ये प्रकंपन सारे ग्लोब पर बिखेर रहे हैं। शांति की प्यासी आत्माएं इन प्रकंपनों से भरपूर होकर सच्ची शांति का अनुभव कर रही है।
Keep visualizing your angelic form, the body within us. शरीर के अंदर ही और एक शरीर, प्रकाश का शरीर, the body of energy. Visualize yourself in the form of white cloths You are above the planet, above the universe, connected to the highest power. परम शक्ति से जुड़े हुए हैं आज इस वक्त। शक्तिशाली किरणें, शक्ति की किरणें, शांति की किरणें आप रिसीव, यू आर रिसीविंग एंड डाइवर्टिंग इट, वाइब्रेटिंग इट टू द एंटायर यूनिवर्स। सभी विश्व के गोले को देख रहे हैं सामने। सारा विश्व इस वक्त बहुत ज्यादा परेशान, दुखी, अशांत, भयभीत और चिंतित। एंड यू आर कनेक्टेड द ओशियन ऑफ पावर, ocean of peace. These rays are being received by you. इन किरणों को आप भ्रुकुटी के मध्य में रिसीव कर रहे हैं और यही किरणें, all these rays from one eye, the rays of peace, another eye, the rays of power, and from the center of your eyebrows, आप भ्रुकुटी के मध्य से पवित्रता की किरणें, the rays of purity, all are being diverted to the entire universe. Start visualizing all the people suffering of this pandemic. Someone has lost a near and dear one. Many have gone into financial crisis, mentally very much disturbed, restless. उन सभी आत्माओं को, all the souls, you are directing the rays of purity, power and peace. Visualize all the patients in the hospitals fighting with the life, people at home, quarantine, even the serious patients at home and in the hospitals. All these powerful rays, you're diverting towards them. All the doctors, hospitals, nurses, health workers, सभी आपकी इन किरणों को पाकर शांत हो रही हैं, सुकून पा रही हैं। They're really feeling good that someone from somewhere is empowering them, enlightening them, enriching them. आपकी इन किरणों को प्राप्त कर समस्त विश्व की आत्माएं जो किसी न किसी रूप से इस पेंडेमिक की वजह से, चाहे वो फाइनेंशियली है, मेंटल, फिजिकल, इमोशनल, forced isolation, has snatched the freedom. Now with these rays, their divine intellect, उनकी दिव्य बुद्धि जागरूक हो रही है. It's giving them the real power and real healing. They all are feeling healed in the presence of these rays offered by all of us collectively. हम सभी की सामूहिक शक्ति, पवित्रता और शांति की किरणें विश्व की समस्त आत्माओं को, पांचों ही तत्वों को, all the 5 elements, अर्थ एलिमेंट पृथ्वी तत्व, ईथर आकाश, विंड वायु, पानी वाटर एंड फायर अग्नि तत्व, पांचों ही तत्व भी इस वक्त प्रदूषित हो चुके हैं with all the negativity which is very much spread in the world around. इस वक्त सभी के सभी पांचों ही तत्व कि परमात्मा के प्राप्त की हुई किरणों के द्वारा वे भी इस वक्त हील हो रहे हैं. They're blessing us, वरदान दे रहे हैं कि हम प्रतिबद्ध हैं आपकी सेवा करने के लिए। हम सदा ही दाता, गिवर आपके लिए बने रहे हैं और आगे भी बनेंगे। बहुत ही अच्छा मनोचित्रण, वेरी गुड विजुअलाइजेशन of this image. The power is being received by you. It is being absorbed in your body, and you, in the angelic form of you, is giving all these powers to the world around and the entire planet. Yes, Shazbhai. Start this video. We'll collectively pray. Whatever is being said, सभी को रिपीट करना है मन में. Everybody has to repeat in their minds.
तेरा मंगल, तेरा मंगल होए रे, तेरा मंगल जग का मंगल, सबका मंगल होए रे, सबका मंगल होए रे, सबका मंगल होए रे, सबका मंगल होए रे। जिसने हमको ज्ञान दिया उस शिव संग प्रीत होए रे, जिस जननी ने जन्म दिया है उनका मंगल होए रे, पाला पोसा बड़ा किया उस पिता का मंगल होए रे, इस जगत के सब दुखियारे प्राणी का मंगल होए रे, जल में स्थल में और गगन में सबका मंगल होए रे, अंतर मन की गांठे टूटे अंतर निर्मल होए रे। इस धरती के हर दिल में तन मन में शिव समाए रे, शुद्ध धर्म धरती पर जागे पाप पराजित होए रे, एक धर्म एक राज चले हो
Yes, thank you to all of you. आप सभी के लिए सहयोग के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Yes, Shaz bhai, you can take over now. Anila, Dr. Anila, please.
Thank you for the lovely session, Balramji. And Shaz, if I think we are at the end of the session, we could probably bring it to an end. Or would you like to add something?
Yes, we can bring it to the end. Just that I've shared the midweek magic link in the chat, so anybody who is new to today's session can join this, and I'll share both the songs as well as the recording of the session today itself.
One
Okay.
last
And
announcement, Shaz, for the.
yes, please.
Go ahead.
Okay, and just a small announcement that next weekend we are coming up with our very special workshop that is of quantum physics, and it was requested by certain people. So here the day is here. So I'm sharing the registration link in the chat, so you can keep it handy and go through it. As well as I will share certain introduction video for quantum physics in the group, so you can go through it, and if you like it, you can go for it. Dr. Anila, would like to add anything else?
Thank you all for being here. We hope to see you again next Wednesday.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody.
ma'am.
Thank you. Good
Thank
evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.